You join me in a train heading towards somewhere else in Germany. Leaving Stuttgart, heading for the Nurburgring today. It's a 6-hour journey. It's about 7 in the morning. We're exhausted because we had about 2 last night. So, yeah.
The night I laid my eyes on you, felt everything around me move. Got nervous when you looked my way, but you knew all the words to say. Then you laughed, slowly moved right in. All this time, oh my love.
Okay, so we're about to get off the second train. We're in the middle of nowhere. What do you have to say about that, Ben? Wow. Next is another train, and then a few buses. Stay tuned. Okay, so we just came off our third train. We're on our first bus in Germany, and we're on some pretty awesome roads. These windy roads with the hills, the forests around. I'd imagine it'd be fun if you were driving up to the Nurburgring to bring your car around here. Okay, so we're in the second bus, but we had to stand up because we can't find a seat. It's horrible, man. It's full. So many people around here. Oh, German countryside near Nurburgring. We found a seat, so it's all good. And now this trip is on. How long?
30 minutes? 35 minutes?
30 minutes. Where are we going?
Point. We're just going to the village right outside the ring.
The village.
The village.
It's more than one village.
We are going to
the only that place. So Kelberg. If any of you know where that is, please tell us for the next half hour. Thank you. Okay, so we're nearly there. We've only got one bus left, so we've been waiting here for about 1 hour now. Look at the little hut we've been watching our movies in. And in the distance we can hear the cars racing around the Nurburgring, but we're not quite there. So we're gonna get onto the last bus, and then next stop, hotel, Nurburgring, and then a few surprises this afternoon, so see. Okay, so our bus never showed up, so we ended up taking a taxi, but good news is we're now in our room, and great surprise, we had no idea, but if we look out the window here, down there is the track, and so we can actually see the cars going by, so we'll just wait for the next one to come by. If we zoom in a little, you'll be able to see it. There's one. So basically, yeah, so we've done that. We're just going to unpack quickly and then go down and see some cars. So let's go. Oh, you join me at a go-kart track, which means I look like a complete idiot with a balaclava. We're about to go go-karting. First time I go inside, I just feel like a complete twat.
Sugar, you make my soul complete. Rapture tastes so sweet.
For more info,